how to add a link to drive traffic to your site on your by your Pinterest. In today's video, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So now, the first thing, you need to go and open your Pinterest app like this. After this, come directly to your profile, and right now on your profile, come to this 3 point at the top of the screen and go to your settings. Right now on your settings, go to your profile, public profile. You will find the last option, website. Add a link to drive traffic to your site. I will add a one, for example, my channel site. I will add it in app35.com and click down. And right now, guys, you will see when I will come to my profile, this is my website link. When I will click on it, it will take me directly to my site, as you see. So that's it, guys. I hope these videos have over you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.